Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss about heat and thermodynamics. Heat and thermodynamics. Heat is a form of energy and called thermal energy. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy called thermal energy. SI unit of heat is joule. CGS unit of heat is calorie. The most commonly used unit of heat is calorie. The relation between calorie and joule is 1 calorie is equals to 4.186 joules. Next, temperature. The thermal condition of a body which determines its ability to transfer heat to other objects is called temperature. Temperature is the measure of degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Temperature determines the direction of net flow of heat. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Temperature is a relative measure. Hence, a reference point is required for the representation of temperature. So, now we are discussing about the ice point and stream point. The melting point of ice at normal pressure and boiling point of water at normal pressure are taken as the reference points called ice point and stream point. Ice point is called lower fixed point and stream point is called upper fixed point. Next, measurement of temperature. When a substance is heated, its various physical properties change. By measuring the change of properties, the temperature of body is estimated relative to a fixed point. Next, different scales of temperature. The following scales of temperature are used to measure the temperature of a body: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, absolute scale or Kelvin scale, Reaumur scale and the Rankine scale. This is the table mentioning the temperature of scales: lower fixing point, upper fixing point, number of divisions. First, Celsius. Degree, C is a letter and its lower fixing point is 0 degree centigrade and its upper fixing point is 100 degree centigrade. Number of divisions in Celsius is 100. Next, Fahrenheit. Letter, degree, F. Lower fixing point of Fahrenheit is 32 degree F and upper fixing point of Fahrenheit is 212 degree F and number of divisions in the Fahrenheit is 180. Next, Kelvin. Kelvin letter K. Lower fixing point of Kelvin is 273 kelvins. Upper fixing point of Kelvin is 373 Kelvin and number of divisions in the Kelvin is 100. Next, Reaumur. Lower fixing point of Reaumur is 0 degree R. Upper fixing point of Reaumur is 80 degree R. Number of divisions in the Reaumur is 80. Next, last one, Rankine. Rankine letter RA. Lower fixing point of Rankine is 492 degree RA and upper fixing point of Rankine is 672 degree RA. Number of divisions in the Rankine is 180. Now, conversion of temperatures from one scale to another. In an arbitrary scale of temperature, X minus LFP by UFP minus LFP, lower fixing point by upper fixing point minus lower fixing point is equals to constant, where X is the temperature of a body in a given scale of temperature. If the temperature of a body in Celsius and in Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Reaumur and Rankine scales of temperatures are C Kelvin, C Celsius, F Fahrenheit, K Kelvin, R Reaumur and RA Rankine scales of temperatures respectively, then the relation among all these four, C minus 0 by 100 minus 0, that is equals to F minus 32 by 212 minus 32, R minus 0 by 80 minus 0, that is equals to RA minus 492 by 672 minus 492 is equals to constant, and last is C minus 0, C. 100 minus 0, 100, that is equals to F minus 32 by 180, that is equals to R minus 0, R, 80 minus 0, 80. that is equals to Ra minus 492 by 180. This is the relation between our four scales of temperatures. By using this, we can calculate either in centigrade or Fahrenheit or Reaumur and Rankine scales of temperatures. In this question, the temperature at which Fahrenheit and Celsius show the same temperature. Now we are finding the at which temperature Fahrenheit and Celsius scales are showing the same temperature. The relation between, first we are writing the relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius scales. C minus 0 by 100 is equals to F minus 32 by 180. C minus 0, C by 100 is equals to F minus 32 by 180. 0, 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. C is equals to, and in the place of F also we are writing C minus 32 by, here C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. So taking cross multiplication, 9C is equals to 5C minus 32 total into 5. 5 into C, 5C minus 5 into 32. 9C minus 5C is equals to minus 5 2s are 10, 5 3 are 15, 16. So 9C minus 5C how much? 4C. 4C is equals to minus 160 degrees. C is equals to minus 160 by 4. 4 ones, 4 4s, 16, 0. So C is equals to minus 40 degrees. So in which option is correct? Third option. So the temperature at which Fahrenheit and Celsius scale show the same temperature, minus 40 degrees centigrade. Next, in this question, the temperature at which Fahrenheit and Reaumur show the same temperature. Next, what is the relation between Fahrenheit and Reaumur? F minus 32 by 180 is equals to R minus 0 by 80. 0, 0 cancel. 2 9s, 2 4s. F minus 32 by 9 is equals to, here we are writing in the place of R, F minus 0 by 4. So F minus 32 by 9, that is equals to F by 4. Taking cross multiplication, 9F is equals to 4F minus 32 into 4. 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12. 9F minus 4F is equals to minus 128. 9F minus 4F how much? 5F. 5F is equals to minus 128. F is equals to minus 128 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. So F is equals to minus 25.6. In this, which option is correct? Fourth one. So the temperature at which nothing but minus 25.6 degree Fahrenheit have the show the same temperature Fahrenheit and Reaumur. In this question, a fault thermometer has its fixed points marked 5 and 95. When this thermometer reads 68, the correct temperature in Celsius is. We have to find out the correct temperature. First, we are writing the formula C minus 0 by 100 is equals to X minus LFP by UFP, upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. Substituting the values, C minus 0 C by 100, that is equal to X 68 they given, minus what is LFP 5, UFP 95 minus 5. So C by 100 is equals to 68 minus 5, 63 by 90, 0 0 cancel, 9 ones, 9 7 ja. C by 10 is equals to 7 by 1, taking cross multiplication, C is equals to 70 degrees. This is the correct temperature in Celsius. Which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Next question. If the temperature of patient is 104 degree Fahrenheit, then his temperature in Celsius scale is. So, what is the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit? C is equals to 5 by 9 F minus 32. Here F they given 104. 104 minus 32. How much? C is equals to 5 by 9 into 72. 9 ones, 9, 8 72. C is equals to 5 how much? 40. So, the temperature of patient is 104 degrees Fahrenheit, then his temperature in Celsius scale is 40 degree centigrade. So, which option is correct? Third option is correct.